How to set up Dropbox on a laptop or PC. So to start, we'll have to open our Microsoft Store, and then in here we'll have to search for Dropbox. After that, we'll have to tap on the Dropbox app, and then in here you will now see this option install. We'll have to tap on this one. So while the app is installing on my laptop or PC, the next thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then search for dropbox.com. In here, you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, simply create an account on the dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, we'll have to go back on the Microsoft Store. And then in here, once the app is installed on our laptop or PC, what we need to do is to go back, and then in here we'll have to go on the bottom part of the screen and then tap on the search bar. In here, we'll have to search for Dropbox. After that, tap on this open option. Once you're done, it will automatically prompt the app here. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this sign in with Dropbox. And as you can see, I'm automatically logged into my Dropbox account. What we need to do now is to tap on this open Dropbox option. And then after that, we'll have to tap on this next option, tap on the keep basic plan, and then tap again on this open Dropbox option. After that, it will automatically redirect us to our PC with our Dropbox account. So that's how easy we can set up Dropbox on a PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.